Hi everybody. In this video, I would like to talk to you about different expressions used in per unit system for single phase system. At the end of this video, you will be able to derive an expressions used in per unit system for single phase system. Before going to obtain the expressions used in per unit system for single phase, at first I would like to recall what is per unit system and definition of per unit system. Regarding the per unit system is a method used in power system analysis to express voltage, current, kVA and impedance in per unit of base or reference value of these quantities. Regarding the definition, it is defined as the ratio of actual value of the quantity to the base value of the same quantity. In terms of an expression, per unit value is equal to actual value by base value. Then coming to the expressions used in per unit system for single phase system, consider the base terms. Base voltage V base, that is V suffix base, the representation. Apparent power base, it is represented as S suffix base. Base current I base. Base impedance value Z base. From these, we are obtaining the expressions as base apparent power S base is equal to V base into I base. Consider it as expression 1. And Z base is equal to V base by I base. Number it as 2. The equation 2 can be written as Z base is equal to V base by I base into V base by V base. While we are adding this term, the main term is not changed. So, from these one, Z base is equal to V square base by I base into V base. Already you are concluded that in the first expression, that is I base into V base is the S base. I am substituting this S base value in this one and the term is getting as V base square by S base. Number it as 3. Expression number 3. See, in a power system, commonly this base apparent power VA is considered as MVA and voltage V can be considered as kilovolts kV. From this third expression, it will be changed as Z base is equal to kV base square by MVA base. Consider this expression as 4. Then the per unit impedance is given by Z per unit is equal to actual value of Z by the base value of Z is equal to Z by Z base. And the expression is number 5. Substitute this expression 4 in expression 5, we get Z per unit is equal to Z by kV base square by MVA base. Rearranging this one and it will be getting as Z per unit is equal to Z of MVA base by kV base square and numbered it as expression number 6. Then per unit current I per unit, this per unit representation you have to be represent it as PU. represented it as PU. I per unit is equal to actual current by base current. This IPU is equal to I by I base. This expression is number 7. From equation 1, S base is equal to V base into I base. That will be interchanged or rearranged in terms of an I base. I base is equal to S base by V base. Already you are set a point in previous. In a power system, commonly this base apparent power VA is considered as MVA and voltage V can be considered as kilovolts. I am replacing these quantities in this one. It is getting as I base is equal to MVA base by KV base. Let it be the expression number 8. Substitute this expression number 8 in expression number 7. You will get that IPU is equal to I by MVA base by KV base. Rearranging this expression, you are getting here IPU is equal to I of KV base by MVA base. Conclusion of the topic is obtained the expression used in per unit system for single phase system. Here S base is equal to V base into I base. Z base is equal to KV base square by MVA base. Z per unit is equal to Z of MVA base by KV base square. And I per unit is equal to I of KV base by MVA base. Thank you.